What's up guys? Today we're gonna play Survive Verity Area 51.
Okay.
With my sister.
So, nandito na naman.
Always.
So, nandito na naman tayo. Oh, what is
Area
this?
51.
Oh, ganda.
Hello!
Oh my God, bro. Ang dami. Oh my God. So, guys. Ano gusto nyo, guys? Ito? Itong baril na to? Or ito? Pasok tayo, guys. Ah! Yung pa pala sila takbo. Guys, like, look.
There's so many!
Oh my God.
No.
Close nyo na kasi, guys. What is this?
Close! Oy! They go! Punta ka na dito.
Tara. Why? Oh, what is this?
Yung shotgun.
No.
No!
Takbo.
Patay ka.
Takbo. Diyos ko. No, this is not amazing. Sarado nyo. No.
Ate.
Bro, I just died. Ask me anything. I know everything. Patayin nyo kasi, guys.
Napatay na namin.
Guys, i-close nyo. Ayan, wag nyo yung bubok. Ano to? Guys, ako na. Babay na.
Bush.
Let's go, ka-partner. What we doing here right now? So, kasama ko si Samuel. Oh my God, bro. Be a guy, bro. Come. Ah, bro. Get out.
Hello, I'm Danny, your personal helper friend.
Ask me anything. I know it. Bro, get out of here, bro. Bro, get out of here. Ah! No. Ask me anything. I know everything. Get out of here, bro. Kanina pa kayo. Sakit to, mani.
Coming!
Ah! Ang dami nila, guys. Guys, sarado nyo, guys. Sarado. Ay.
Kami nakutan.
Yes. Hoy, bakit nyo inopen? Oh my God. Oh no. Need more money. So. Oh my God. Ang dami nila, guys. Takbo. Dito na kasi kayo.
Goodbye.
This is mine. We go. Ay! Bro.
Ba't mo kasi binuksan ko?
Namasagan. Oh, ang daming pera.
Nope. Ayun na lang dyan.
Yes! Ang laki. Parang nga may malaki tayong pera, diba? Ay, ang daming germs. Ayan kasi isara nyo, guys. Oy, bawal ka dyan. Are you okay? Gusto ko mag-buy ng legendary. Ano to? It's time to open it. Uy, there it goes. Yan na sila mga bad boys.
Where's the monster?
Yan na sila mga bad boys. Yan na sila. Bakit kasi pinapunta mo dyan? What is this? What?
The Lulu.
No. Ay.
Where's the Lulu?
Asa na sila? Asa na sila? Wala, binuksan na naman. Bala kayo dyan. What is that? Sad, bad, bad.
Intelligence now.
Di mo sure. Di niya sure. Di niya sure kung anong...
I'm Verity, your personal helper friend.
Ask me anything. I know everything.
I'm Verity, your personal helper friend.
Oh, nice. Wala na. Oh, what is this? Guys, ano to? Yeah, why are you there? Why are you there?
I warned ya.
Ha ha. Ha ha. He is now. Ha ha. Look. No. Get me out of here.
You know why he's hiding? Because of the monster.
Get me out of here.
Oh, this thing, man! Punta ka dito. Ate.
Mamaya. May kinakalaban pati pa ako.
Ang dami nyo naman dyan.
Asan?
Personal helper friend.
Dan din dito. Ayan o.
Look. What is that thing? Ooh. Habulin mo ako. What is that thing? Si Verity. Paggaling. Lo. Takbo. Ala.
Yes, din.
Dami. Wala na. Patay na. We go. Wala, nagpa-fly siya.
There you go. I go. No.
Guys, gusto ko guns.
There you go. I go.
So, nasa bag na natin. Ala, asan na? And guys, si Howie.
I'm Verity, your personal helper friend.
Takbo.
Hello, I'm Verity, your personal helper friend.
No.
Ano ka?
No. Oh!
Ikayo? Bakit?
Hidden shotgun te. Sige, Lulu.
Grabe, kadami naman yan. Alas.
Say hello to my little friend.
Hello, Chamalata.
Say hello to my little friend.
Close nyo, guys. Close. Close. Wag mo i-open. Help! I'm trapped. Joke lang, wag na open.
Your personal helper friend.
Ay. Anong meron dito? Ay. Meron dito. Ay. Ay, Diyos ko, ang dami nila.
Alam mo kung paano ko nakuha to?
Paano?
Ito, oh.
Ah, wait lang, wait lang. Uy, sa likod mo, ang dadami nila. Grabe. Bro, ang bilis, ang bilis, ang bilis. Ask me anything.
Lika. Dito, take mo.
Ta?
Take mo to.
Take. Ooh, see you ko. Wow, where is there na?
Where's the usual?
Ay, punta kayo dito. Guys, punta kayo. Punta kayo dito. Punta kayo dito. Dito. Oh, nice. Dito. Ay, dito. Wait lang, ang dami.
Hindi mo na magamit. Ano sa shotgun na nga natin? And ang unti lang.
Ako na dito. Ay. Tara na, wag na tayo dyan.
Ba't mo ako tinrap?
Takbo. So guys, no. Oh my God. Tulog, Hawi. Asan ka? Diyos ko. Ang dami! Oh
Dito,
no.
Dito sa door.
Oh no.
Dito sa door.
Get me out of it, bro. No! Bro. Takbo. Wala na, patay na. Bro, I was dead na. Wala, asan na yung shotgun ko?
Mawala yan. Pero makukuha mo din mo.
Asan ba gayon? Saan ba yun? Sarado mo. Ay, ang dami, grabe. Ay!
Doon ulit.
Get out of me, bro. Tulong, guys. Ang dadami. Oh my God. Something is what? Bro, get out of me, bro. Get out of my... Because... Something is coming to...
Something is coming to church.
Haha. Jesus. Look. Yung dami, grabe. Itin, oh. Bro, lock it. You need to lock it, bro. Lock it. What is he doing there? Uy, Ari, nandun ako sa pinuntahan. Let's go. Ano yun? Bakit? Takbo. Jump! Bro.
For my love.
Bro. Open it. Balik. No. This
No,
can't
I'm running
be.
for my life.
This.
Get out of here.
What is this? Ha. You can... Oh my God, takbo guys, takbo. Yari tayo. Takbo. Open it. Bro, get out of my sight.
Get out of my way.
Ang dami. Help me, bro. Grabe ka dami yan. Bro, close it. You need to close it. Yan. Amo, ulit. Oh. Something's coming to this. Something is coming to you. Oh, patay ka.
Character dito.
What is that?
Taas.
Ay, may taas
Dito
to, no?
ko na eh.
Wait lang, pupunta ako dyan. Nada, he's gonna teleport na.
Ika.
Need to do this on
Ika,
my
ang vent dito.
own. Asan ka? Ah, dyan? Oh, what is this?
What in the baba?
Ah,
No!
no! Oh,
Ask me anything. I know everything.
Tutuwa ka dito.
Ask me anything. I know everything. I know everything. I know. Oy, Arisan yon. Tara, punta natin ulit.
Ito.
Hindi yan.
Ito.
Okay, I'm gonna get up, bro. Hindi. Asan ulit yung Hindi, yung dinaanan. Ito. Guys, malapit na. Kailangan na muna natin magpunta dito sa... Yung doon sa may maghagdanan. Ganun ito. No. Okay, here. Dapat mag-ingat eh. Ayan, may...
Tayo dito.
Ay! Nabutas.
Tayo dito.
Wait lang. I'm gonna do it again. Hindi na naman ako
Wait lang. May gagawin.
Yeah. Ayan na. Yeah. Ayun, dapat sa gilid ka tumaan, Hari.
Oo nga, sige na ako tumaan.
Mayroon pa dito, oh. What is that?
Dito tayo.
Ask me anything.
Oh. Bakit ka tumalon? Oh my God, bro. Oh my God, bro. Takbo. Lang, tinutulungan kita.
Tayo na ako.
You need to get here, ha? Nasaan ka na? Hintayin kita.
Saan?
Ask me anything. I know everything.
I know everything.
Ask me anything. Hari, asan ka na? Ask me anything. I know everything.
You can ask me anything.
Where are you? Oh my God, ayan na siya.
I know everything.
Ah, Diyos ko. You need to kill that. Lala. Bala na kayo dyan, mag-i- Nahulog pa nga.
Ate, tara na.
Oh my God, wait. Ito na ako, pakyat na ako.
Huwag na tayo pumunta
Tara.
dun.
O, dito sa gilid, dito. Diyos ko po.
Huwag tayo dyan.
Oo, tayo dyan.
Kala ko meron ano. Dito. Ay, dyan. Dito.
Okay, let's explore this.
Jump tayo.
I think you should not. Let's go. Let's go back, bro.
You can ask me anything. I know everything.
Bro, why did you get there?
Look, I'm running for my life.
Bro, open it, bro.
Running for my life.
Malasan na, no. Ay, dali, punta ka na agad dito, bro.
My life.
Bro, you need to go here already.
Yeah, I know.
No. Where even are you? So, guys, where is Harry? What is this? Harry, where are you? Yo! What is this?
Don't go near me.
Let's go, let's go. Diretso tayo.
I got a shotgun.
Uy, tara. No, here. Wag yan. Wag dyan. Ah, tama, dito tayo. Oh, what is this place?
Bro. Oh, ray gun. Ray gun.
Ray gun, bro! Wow!
Ito yung ano?
Wow! Come and look at this, guys.
Tara.
Tug.
That was a
Wow.
good choice.
Wow!
Dito tayo.
Lah.
Dito tayo sa unan.
Wait lang. So, where am I? Ooh, what? Ooh, cantina.
Tayo sa baba. Dito tayo sa baba. Dito tayo sa baba.
What is that? What? Yo, look at this. Oh, not that. Let's go.
Like in the bathrooms.
Let's go, bro. Let's go. Oh my gosh, look at your back. Look at your back. We need to go. No. Not now, bro. Not now. You didn't know my name, bro. Okay. Oh my god, ang dami. I need to do this, please. Look, guys.
I'm Verity, your personal opera friend.
Oops, coming back. Hello. Red.
Hello,
Oh,
I know everything.
I know. You don't know everything.
Bye, guys.
So guys, that's all. And I'm gonna charge my phone. So, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So, we need to, itigil na namin to. So, bye-bye. See you mamaya kasi nag-video pa ako. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.